Hey friends, today's drawing is a drawing of Raksha Bandhan, or it is also known as Rakhi. So it's a drawing of Rakhi, the festival. For the drawing, I've done the outline with 2H graphite pencils and then finalized them with these fine liners. To finish the drawing, I have only used graphite pencils. Pencils that I chose for this drawing are Staedtler pencils, but this can be done using any graphite pencil, so it's not a mandatory thing that you have to use Staedtler or something of that quality. You can achieve the results that I have achieved in this drawing with simple graphite pencils too. Even HB pencil with precise amount of work can achieve you this kind of result. So for them who do not know what Rakhi is, it's a festival of brothers and sisters. The brother gifts his sister something in return of her tying the Rakhi on his hand. So Rakhi is kind of a bond between sisters and brothers. This has been in the Hindu traditions for long. So whoever is not familiar with Rakhi, you just can search about Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi, and you will get to know that this has been a festival which was there from long. For the rest part of the video, I would keep you with the music. I hope you enjoy the drawing. Thank you for watching the drawing video. If you have liked the video, then please hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family. Especially share it with your brothers and sisters, because this festival is all about brothers and sisters. Anyone who's searching for a drawing project about Rakhi, you guys can use this drawing. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you in the next video soon. Have a nice time.